Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video I'll be talking about Goldman Sachs, which is currently hiring for their summer analyst 2026 role. For this role you'll have to be present in person at their office in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the division that they're hiring for is global banking and markets. So what you'll have to remember is they're looking for students who are currently pursuing their bachelor's or their graduate degree. It's a 9 to 10 weeks summer internship where you'll get the opportunity to attend a number of orientations. You learn about their culture, you have a lot of responsibilities being a part of their firm. You'll receive a lot of trainings that will help you succeed in this role. Now they have very simple criterias for submitting your application, because this is something for bachelor students. So you cannot apply for more than four uh, business or location combinations in a given year. So if you have any applications that you have given additionally, that will be auto withdrawn, and in order to apply to any additional opportunity you must withdraw a current application that has not been turned down yet. And do not create multiple email addresses so that you can apply for multiple opportunities. So these are the two criteria that they have listed, and since it's a bank they are very particular about these criterias, and if you get caught then you might not get the opportunity, right? So these are the very simple criteria that they've mentioned. So practically speaking, you'll just have to be currently in your bachelor's degree, pursuing your bachelor's degree to be able to apply for this role. So moving on to the hiring process that Goldman Sachs generally follows. um, you will have to submit your resume and cover letter for the first round of screening. So yes, this round will have shortlisting, and Goldman Sachs recruiters, they look at their professionals to stand out in non-traditional ways. They look at their honesty when you're talking about your expertise, your experiences, your passion towards uh, the business goals. So make sure you know what you're writing in your resume, in your cover letter. That should be a reflection of what you actually achieved. And if you want to have reference, I have made a video on how to make the perfect cover letter, and how to make the perfect resume. You can go ahead and look through that. So this round will have shortlisting, and the shortlisted students will be asked to join for a HireVue interview, which is a common interview round that you have to sit for in most banks. Because here you will be asked situation-based questions, HR questions. There'll be nothing technical. So this will be an AI proctored HR round, to be very specific. So you'll be asked 2 to 3 questions depending on the company. They ask 2 to 3 questions, which will be basically situation based. So you'll have to answer with the star approach. You can go through that as well, and make sure you have good lighting, plain background, and you're wearing formal attire when you are sitting for this interview. To have complete knowledge of what happens in this round, I have posted a HireVue interview uh, video as well. So you can go through that. That will be really beneficial for you. Once you get through the initial resume shortlisting round, you can go through that video for the HireVue interview. So HireVue interview, mostly the banks, they shortlist a lot of students based on this HireVue interview. So it is very important. The results of the HireVue interview can take some time to come. It can go up to months. So after you sit for your HireVue interview, you get through it, you'll have to sit for a super day interview for the summer analyst role. and this can be on site or online, it depends on them. So they typically evaluate candidates by 3 individual interview rounds, each spanning up to 30 minutes maximum. So that can be with analysts, with associates, with vice presidents. They can ask questions on the motivation of your application, and it can also consist of tests, focus groups, and case studies, these rounds. So listen carefully to what the interviewer is asking and answer each part of the question correctly. And bring positive attitude, bring confidence to your interviewer, so that they understand that yes, you know what you're doing. And definitely arrive a bit early for your interview. So just general interview strategies that you must use for this, because this can be an off-site interview as well. So make sure to apply before the link expires. It's Goldman Sachs. They won't be having their link open for long, so go ahead and apply before the link expires. And if you are liking my content, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on companies who are currently hiring for job openings, for internship openings, especially for college going students. So on the lookout for this. So if you are liking my content, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.